So friend, this is my online Nettech discussion on Linux operating system. So I'm already created Linux basic operating system and Linux server related operating system. So you are you are learn about already in Linux operating system, Linux technology, Linux system. So I will show you in RCA Red Hat virtual system. Okay. So this is a very Red Hat 7.0. I will show you in this my channel. Okay, and I like your comment and you argue for my motivation support for Red Hat 7 inside video. So I will create Red Hat 8.1 either Red Hat 9 create. Okay, Red Hat 9 operating system create. Okay, so next my previous video very good what is the Unix and what is the Linux operating system. Okay, and what is the difference between I'm already created Windows operating system, no custom change and different type of is a different point of I'm already created this video. Windows Linux operating system related Windows some client operating system why this operating system created server technology. And last my previous video I'm already created how many type of company using Linux operating system. This is a very important to understand about because all my video part was here and all video depend on one by one. Okay, so before you watch this video watch my previous video very important for either you cannot understand this video. Okay, so understand about looking into the Linux kernel and these start about Linux technical point here. So let's start this video. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech discussion. In this module you can see here my this online Nettech discussion. This type right and search here and you can visit here. This is my channel logo and so you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, PayPal, how to use in PayPal, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlist available in my this channel and you can visit very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online at this basic channel. This channel very helpful for you and advanced you can learn about computer. Okay, and visit one by one my you can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me and you maybe like. So this is very good for you and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video. So first you can see this is the core of the Linux system is the kernel. Okay, so core is Linux, the main part of Linux inside kernel. Kernel means you press your computer power button and not start your first file in your computer. So it is one type of different type start programming, starting a different type of files. Okay, so that the kernel controls all the hardware and software on the computer. Okay, understand about this is a very important for kernel controls hardware technology and software technology, both system computer here, allocating hardware when necessary, hardware and same is necessary and executing software when required. Okay, so two system very important, need hardware and software. Okay, so without this button, okay, so if you been following the Linux world at all, okay, this is a Linux world technology, no doubt for you hard not you heard the name Linux towels. This Linux towel technology, Linux towels engineer create Linux operating system. So any question inside you can see here, as you can see Linux towels. Linux towels create Linux operating system. Okay, and you can see here Linux is a person responsible for creating the first Linux kernel. Okay, first Linux kernel means operating system. So first is you can see here first responsible creating Linux towel technology. Linux means a Linux towels engineer. This man create Linux operating system and software while he was student at the University of Helsinki. This university student, okay, Helsinki student created first time Linux kernel software. He intended it to be copy of the Unix system. Okay, I'm already created what is a Unix. Watch my previous video, very important for you in this playlist. Okay, so I'm already created a little Unix operating system. What is a Unix operating system? So understand about the Unix related. But this is a he intended it to be a copy of the Unix operating system. Okay, at the time, popular operating system used many at many university. Okay, same copy Unix operating system created when first time created Linux operating system. At that time, operating system very popular technology, popular because why? After developing the Linux kernel, Linux released it to the internet community and solicited suggestion for the improving. Okay, the and this very understand about this point. Linux created after this Linux tower engineer Linux released internet communication system very powerful created, and the second is the solicit suggestion for improving. So some suggestion means different type of you are very good and important type of you create software, so you can directly communicate Linux operating system through Linux companies, and you can join one type of Linux. So this Linux company develop a lot of uh, engineer joint in this reason develop one by one this Linux system. This simple process started revolution in the world of the computer operating system. Okay, so this is a revolution is a world change operating system. Okay, in this is a very important for operating system because Microsoft company not allow this type of technology. You are software engineer, so you want to first you go into lot of degrees and going Microsoft interview and some work, and after joining team and you are promote, maybe Microsoft company promote, and after you are going into OS developing join the group. But Linux operating system inside this company not this type of process. You are engineer, you are completely powerful engineer, and one type of you are high level type of type enter technology, so you can suggestion give improving and your enter Linux operating system for you are develop, you want you are interested in develop more good and high level type of for you have software you are created you developer. So this Linux company always welcome for you, and always you can enter and one type of you setup. Okay, soon Linux was receiving suggestion. Okay, that is from student as well as professional programmers from around the world. This is a very of good, and this point this reason Linux operating system very popular in the world. Again I'm showing you soon Linux was receiving suggestion from students as well as professional programmers from around the world. This is a very important for understand about this point. Allowing anyone to change programmer code. Okay, anyone you can this Linux operating system allow you can change your program, you can code, change your you can change operating system. Okay, in the kernel world, result in the complete chaos. Chaos is one type of process system. To simplify things, Linux acted. Linux Towel act as central point all of improvement suggestion. Okay, one type of Linux Torvalds engineer. This man engineer first is a point make one type of a system make improvement suggestion and one by lot of development joint in the Linux company and different making and different type of create a Linux system. Okay, it was ultimately Linux decision whether or not incorporate suggestion code in the world. So it was ultimately Linux decision whether is or not incorporate suggestion code in the world. Okay, so this is in the kernel. This concept is still in place with Linux kernel code. Okay, this same concept is place Linux kernel code and except that instead of just Linux controlling the kernel code. Okay, so Linux is controlling the kernel code and team developer has taken on the task. Okay, so this is the team developers taken on the task. This is the Linux of kernel technology. Kernel is one type of important. You start your power on computer and you start your first is important boot your computer. Boot means you start computer. Okay, so IT field in computer world start computer call boot. Okay, so boot means you start your computer. It is a one type of so this is the main file of it's called kernel. Okay, and without main file you cannot start your so all of operating system have main of file of data. Okay, so full you can see everything a folder you're watching any side. So you are install any operating system, you can see here Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8, Windows 10 partition C create automatically. So in this partition side, that is main partition operating system one type of installed all of data. Okay, same any operating system. Okay, Linux any operating system. So next I'm show you Unix architecture. matlab means I will show you Unix architecture, Unix technology and folder and technology type of using different type of folder of accessing system and important part of Unix architecture. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Next time I will show you on continue on this Unix architecture in operating system. Okay, so one by one I will discuss and after next video I will show you how to install operating system in Linux operating system in your computer. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Next time I will show you in Unix architecture. So click on subscribe button, click on like button, click on bell icon for new notification when I upload new video, and you maybe miss either you are not to click on so must click on subscribe button. So thank you. Have a nice day. Unix architecture I will continue next topic. Okay, so thank you.